Okay, so how much do they cool this off? Well, this is a BTU meter. This measures how many BTUs are passing through. So on the one without the shade, you could say 100% of all the BTUs are coming through. You can see that right there. Now watch this, I'll move it over to the one with the jet shade. And holy mackerel, only 18% of the BTUs are coming through. That means these jet shades are blocking, 81, 82% of the actual BTUs that would hit you coming in. That means all the heat that's coming into this aircraft through this rear windows is 80% of it is now getting rejected by this jet shade. Combining with our front windshield, you can have one cool 172. So here's an infrared thermometer, and it's pointing right at the carpet. And it's reading about 122 degrees. That's the sunlight coming through the side without the jet shade. Let's check the side that's coming through with the jet shade. That's reading about 80 degrees. So again, let's go back up to the one with the carpet. That's 113 degrees right there. And then we'll come out here, and holy mackerel, it's down to about 79 degrees. So you're really taking 30 degrees out of coming into this aircraft.